For this exercise, we're going to be taking a kettlebell, a dumbbell, a heavy water bottle, whatever you would like to use for weight. And we're going to be working on our core. So we're going to be flat on a table, chair, floor, whatever you would like. And the biggest thing with this exercise is I want you to make sure you are flattening your back to the mat. Let me show you what that looks like not flat. You see how my ribs are flaring up like so? Now I want you to flatten your back. Again, here and flatten. You need to maintain this the entire time. You're going to have your knees bent slightly. You're going to engage your abs, engage your core, like I just talked about. And you are reaching over your head and coming back up. Again, overhead and coming back up. You should feel a lot of tension in your body. What I don't want to see is as you come back, your ribs lifting up. I want you to make sure you're nice and flat as you come up and down.